Get on in here, get on in here. What's good, sis and baes? It's your girl, Expensive Taste. Many of you may know me as Coach Queen B because, of course, I am a personal trainer. We'll get into all of that later. But, y'all, this is pretty much going to be like my first official video, though many of you may actually see the other video that I just uploaded. It's a little fitness video, but, y'all, that video was like super old, and a lot of people have been asking me to actually go ahead and post it. I have other content as far as fitness, but I mean, you know, I think I'm actually gonna just leave that up for transparency purposes. I mean, it was like my first video that I ever did. It wasn't well edited, there was no music, yada yada yada, so we're not even gonna get into all that right now. We can talk about that later, but today I am bringing you guys a review for the Bobbi Boss bundle hair, and I will put a link in the description below, and I'll also just kind of insert a picture somewhere in this frame. But yeah, that's what we're gonna talk about today, sis and bae, so make sure you stay tuned with your girl.
Keep my bitch bustin', bankroll, keep them semi-auto. Keep my bitch bustin', semi-auto, semi-auto. No, I'm home, no Morado, no Morado. Her body art, I'm Leonardo, and she scream that she mine. 100 X ain't no dime, automata waste my time. I just put ice all on her neck, she know she mine. She pull commas in on the check, she don't need mine. I just bought a brand new lingerie, she know she fine. That's mine.
Alright, y'all, so I am actually going to start a segment for my channel, and it's basically going to be called Before You Go and Spend Your Hard-Earned Money, Come Talk to Me. Come talk to your sis, Expensive Taste, because I don't want you wasting your hard-earned money on something that you're very unsure about, because I actually install hair a lot. I've tried a lot of hair. I've reviewed a lot of hair companies, so most definitely I can tell you what's in and what's not, because we not in the business of wasting our money, no whatsoever. So like I said again today, this is the Bobbi Boss bundles. If you stay in the Florida area, you got this at the Beauty Exchange. I will also put their link in the description below. They do have multiple locations outside of Florida. Last I checked, I did see some in Atlanta, and I'm not sure what other locations around the world they have, but they do have several locations, so you can just check out the website or look at their Instagram page to see where they are. But again, if you're in Florida, you're in luck, sis, because you can go and get it. But I'm pretty sure some other beauty supply stores are probably carrying the hair too, but I mean, just for guaranteed purposes, it is at the Beauty Exchange. So let's get straight into it and do it. So I bought this hair a couple days ago, and I installed it, and I chose to leave it in its natural state. I just washed it and chose to leave it in its natural state so I can show y'all what the curl pattern looks like. If I'm not mistaken, this one is considered the Ocean Wave.
Don't come for me unless I send for you.
Because they have straight, and then I think they have like 3 other textures, but last I checked, this is the Ocean Wave.
Correct!
Honestly speaking, on price, I did not spend that much. We spent like maybe $100 and like maybe $40, $130 or $140. The 3 bundles came out to a little over $100, and then the closure itself was like another $35. So it was actually pretty price savvy to me. This was a 14, 16, 18, and I think the closure itself was like 12. This 12-inch closure definitely was not bad. It's definitely blending in real good. You can't even tell. And honestly, if you do, it's just looking like it's just giving it some layers. Y'all, again, the hair is like really soft, and overall, first install wise, I'm pretty pleased with it. This is also a part of their color series, so they actually have several colors when it comes down to these colored bundles, and I will also probably insert the names or some pictures somewhere within the frame. But I saw things like, you know, champagne, purple soda. They had like a mint green, a turquoise blue. Like, It was so pretty, but everybody knows that somehow this royal blue just be having my heart. I just had some red hair in my hair, y'all. My hair was like fire red, and then I bounced back with this blue. Like, yeah, everybody know I do color all day long. I've been doing this color stuff since I got out of high school, like so many years. So, you know, way I look at it, you got one life to live, and I don't like boring hair. So y'all gonna see me with many different colors in my hair. You know, I'm gonna live it for you, you hear me? And I'm gonna be your Andy Wise. For anybody who actually stays in Memphis, Tennessee, you know who Andy Wise is, because I know the rest of y'all is looking at me like, who the slap is Andy Wise? Andy Wise is somebody who actually worked for a news station, and what he would do is actually test out popular products or anything like that that really had people talking, and he will let you know if it was worth your time and your money. And that is what I'm here to do for you, and you, and you, and you, and you. That's what I'm doing for y'all. I'm making sure you don't waste your money. So what I'm gonna do in the next video is that I'm actually gonna straighten this out. I'm gonna get it bone straight, y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all about the tools I got, because period, it's gonna look looking like the hair was meant to be straight. Like, I'm gonna have to do a haul on it and let y'all know where y'all can get it from. But I'm going to flat iron her bone straight, and then I'm gonna wash it again and condition it, and it's gonna pretty much be the second wash. Like I said, this can either pass or fail by the third wash. Typically, if you got some really bad hair, it won't even last past the first wash. Like, after you first put it in, it's gonna be soft, it's gonna have plenty of body, it's gonna be real pretty and stuff. And then after that first wash, done. It's gonna be fried. You know, that coating is gonna come off to let you know that the hair was not genuine, and it's gonna be stiff, it's gonna start tangling, and it's not gonna act right, it's not gonna cooperate with sis anymore. And we ain't trying to spend our money on that, because the majority of people that sell hair like that, they're selling it to you for like $200, $300, $400, $500, and $600, and the hair ain't worth it. Ain't worth shit talking mushrooms. And we don't have time for that. We spending our hard-earned money out here just to look good, and we just want some quality hair, and people don't want to sell quality hair, especially not for a quality price. Especially if you walk into a beauty supply store right now, I guarantee you they have some wigs that's already constructed, and they are no cheaper than like $300. And some of the wigs that I have seen, first of all, I'm gonna have to definitely take y'all on a vlog with me the next time I go to a beauty supply store. I'm not gonna reveal the names of the beauty supply store. They have their nerves to stick a $300 and $400 tag on it, sometimes even $500 and $600, and it's like, the hair is not worth it. Why are you asking for so much money? Dead that.
All right, have a blessed day.
Then you have the next option, which is to like order some hair off of like Amazon. Like, y'all, trust me, I have gotten I probably ordered hair off of Amazon maybe a total of 3 times so far. The first type of hair I got, it was just some normal natural black super curly hair. Like, I'm gonna have to insert some pictures of what I did with that hair, because I actually ended up bleaching that hair to like a really high color blonde. I mean, I want to say a high color blonde, but I did bleach that hair, and the hair was, you know, it was pretty straight. But I think I over processed the hair. You know, it got a little crunchy on one side. You know, I wasn't able to get, you know, it was tragic. Couldn't get no brush through it. On this side, it was like stuck, it was matted, it was over with. So then I ordered some more hair. It was like a 24 or 26 inch wig, all natural black hair. I had to return that hair and get them to send me some more, because that hair didn't last me past a week. It started to thin so bad, y'all. It started thinning so bad, and then it got to the point where it was just tangling, and I was like, I've only washed this one time. Like, I haven't really gotten a chance to really just style it how I want to, so I was very upset. But the good thing about Amazon is that you can actually either get a refund for it, or you can just send it back and have them to send you another one. Within 2 days, they had another one out to me, a fresh one. So I put that one in, and I promise y'all, boy, that wig didn't last me past a couple days before it started thinning super bad. Like, the hair was shedding all over the place, y'all. Like, it was ridiculous. It was shedding like a poodle. It was just, ugh. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of that too somewhere up in here, because you can tell how thin it was. Like, compared to this, you can tell how thin it was. I was so upset. And then after that, I actually ordered some 613 hair from Amazon for the first time. I was really skeptical about getting, you know, blonde hair from Amazon, because, you know, just reading all the reviews, and then, oh my god, y'all, I know I'm not the only person who goes on there looking at the reviews first before you go buy something, and then you start scrolling through the pictures and you like,
no, 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 no.
and then some of the women, it's like, oh, this hair was fabulous, it was great. I'm like, girl, either they paying you or you trying to get something, because that looks terrible, sis. It's terrible. It looks like you didn't comb it in like a week. Look like it ain't got a tap of moisture in it. You didn't condition it. Like, baby, at this point, y'all need to pay me to endorse you, to help some people buy your hair, because that ain't the way you do it, sis. But you know, whatever float they boat, I guess. But I did purchase a full 613 wig. It was like 18 inches, and I did fully dye that hair like completely red. It was like a fire red, and I will insert some pictures somewhere up in here so y'all can see it. But you know, now when I first got the hair, it was super soft, full of body, just really pretty. And literally after that first wash, after the second wash, after the second wash, it was over with. Their hair was not acting right anymore. Sis was giving me problems. She wasn't a good girl no more. Like, I had to dead that wig. Like, I couldn't do anything but just put the wig in a ponytail, like in a little ball or something, because it wouldn't act right. Like, ladies, y'all know how it is when your wig ain't acting right no more and you gotta improvise. And like, if you go for that rainy day wig, or you have to deal with your natural hair, or you just take that current situation, put some gel on it, slick it back, put it in a ball, you know, trying to work with it, baby, that is what I had to do. I had to go ahead and just slick it back, put it in a ball. You know, she was like, clean up until I was ready to give me some more hair, and then that's how I ended up with this. So again, y'all, this is 14, 16, 18 with a 12-inch closure. When I do the next video, flat iron, it'll be the second wash, so y'all can see how it's actually acting afterwards. A lot of curly hair that isn't so good when you straighten it out, it honestly just comes off a little crunchy. It doesn't really look that great. It starts shedding like a poodle. So we're gonna see if the Boss Bundles is gonna do this to your girl. So I mean, if it does, then we just know it's not a pass. It's gonna get a big old fail. If it's still beautiful of body, not giving your girl problems, and you know, giving me like the normal shed, then y'all know this is safe for you to go and spend your money on. Like I said, try to go find it at the beauty exchange if you can, because they actually do sell it at a very affordable price. Actually, I'm gonna do another video right now for y'all, because there is some more hair that I want to show you, and I want to talk to y'all about it, you know, just for my girls to kind of just need something a little quick to do, because this is probably gonna be more a little long term. Yeah, I was about to say swing. Like, if there is anybody out there that trades Forex, we right here. Because I was gonna say, you know, you can swing this. Half of y'all looking like, what you mean swing?
Okay.
But if you trade Forex, you know exactly what I mean by swinging. But this is something that you could probably, you know, it could probably last you a couple months depending on how you take care of it. But this next type of hair that I'm about to talk to y'all about is probably more so something that's a little quick, like to last you a day or maybe a little less than a week, or probably just a rainy day wig. But I thought it was really cute, y'all. But y'all know how it is when you go in a beauty supply store and you see the hair that's sitting on the outside of the counter versus the hair that's behind the counter. The hair that's behind the counter has a little bit more quality. The hair that's on the outside, not so much. But you know, you might find some little hidden gems, you never know. But again, like I said, I'm here to let you know before you go spend your money on this, sis. But make sure you keep it locked with your girl, because I'm definitely gonna keep it real with y'all. 100, 1,000, a milli, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like, comments, and subscribe, you know, and hit that bell, because y'all don't know when the update is coming. I'm definitely not that person that's gonna tell you, look, I'm gonna give you an update in 2 weeks, or give you a third update on it and then I'm gonna forget it. Like, no, I'm definitely gonna follow up with y'all and let you know, because I know there's a lot of you who really want to know before you go and spend your hard-earned money. Like I say, yes, again, your hard-earned money Let's make sure it's going to some good use. So hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know if you have seen this hair in your beauty supply store. And if not, y'all, I mean, just hit me in the comments and we're going to see what we can do about helping you get this hair if it's really a pass. Because there may be some of you that might want to just go ahead and try this out on your own just based off what you're seeing right now. It's always a way to work it out, sis. I'm all about that. It's always a way to work it out. But make sure you get in the comments below. Let me know if it's some hair, what kind of hair you want me to try next. I have a lot of hair that I actually want to review for y'all, so just make sure you stay tuned for that. But there may be some hair that I have yet to come across or I have yet to try. Let me know. I'm gonna be your Andy Wise. Like I said, we already talked about who he was in the beginning of the video, but let me know and I will go and try that for you and let you know before you go spend your hard-earned money, because I like trying hair, you know. I mean, if you got the means to do it, go ahead, sis, but at the same time, I really don't like wasting my money. So again, I'm gonna let you know. But I will see y'all in the next video. That's enough talking, because y'all, I get all off cue. I would talk a lot. Thanks, babies. We'll see.
How I know you love me, you gon' ride for me. Pull up in them skis,